We are on a big lagoon campsite. This is the campsite. The whole campsite is empty except for us, which is really awesome. Quiet, next to the shore. Just want to show you, this is an awesome campsite. Secluded, quiet, next to the water. And you can roam around, like really roam around. No one will disturb you. There's plenty of water. There's also a bathroom and a hot shower for a fee, but I think it's okay. But look around. Look how beautiful it is. There are no stores or any establishment around in this campground. There are neighborhoods, but those are private houses. And I think most of them were just vacation houses because most of them are empty. Come, let me show you a little bit of the water. Oh, my co-pilot, my captain is asleep, taking a nap. So, I gotta make something and take this opportunity to show you around. This is the lagoon area. Above those little hills is the sea, the ocean, sorry. The ocean, the west coast part of it. See those ducks? Look at them. They're cute. That sound you're hearing is the sound of the waves smashing through the coast. And what kind of ducks are those? Let's go back. So we explored today the town of Eureka. We found this nice shop. It's called Picky Shop. So if any of you pass Eureka, you should check that out. Got awesome stuff in there, all the things that you need for outdoor. So this is the campground. There's more part more over there, but I don't want to get away from our side because my Rob is asleep. I'm trying to make fire. Our firewood is a little bit wet, so it's harder. But we'll make it. Look at this mushroom. Scary little one. Probably poisonous. I know nothing about those wild mushroom. I wish I could, but maybe I'll find a book to read something about it. Isn't this beautiful? So any one of you who passes this area, you should check this out. Big Lagoon Campground. And look for campsite number 2. This is where we are. It's the awesomest of all the campsite. Like number 2. So don't forget that. big lagoon. Check us out. Okay, talk to you guys later. I think I'm gonna make soup or probably grill some steak. We'll see about that.